And as long as I stop my second time, no one driven on the just like any good swinging.
Hey guys, it's Ray, and today we're back with another video. Sorry, I'm never doing that again. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing? Like, if you don't know how to do it, this is the right video for you. So what you do is obviously starts like, but I don't do the head thing. I just go like that. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is lift your thumbs, and then your two fingers, the gun fingers, and then you go like that. So you flip it up, and then slide up, and then go down, and then it should be like that.
And then you add two thumbs.
Okay, let's try that. Oh, dang it, I'm doing the wrong part. So that's what you do. So practically it's like, that's the easy part. Then you're moving on to the next part where it goes like this. Okay? So what you do for that part is once you're done with wait, I can't even do it. Wait. Got a notification, set that up. Okay, so once you're done with this part, you're gonna go your gun fingers, but two this time. Then you flip it upside down, and then your thumb should be under that finger, and your top finger should be on your thumb. And then you lift up, so you can lift. Okay. You lift those up, slide, and then you do that part. So let's show you. And then it goes, and that part's really easy. But if you can't do it that good, then I suggest you to go on fast mode on Musical.ly when you're recording, and then you go one by one, like that. But if you're like me, I do the normal, so it's like, so that's what you do. And then after that, you're gonna wanna, so it goes like, and then it goes like that, and then it goes boom, like you're praying, and then move down, put your fingers up like that, and then you go like that, and then you move it down like a heart. So let's redo this thing. So it goes pull, and then it goes boom, 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 boom. And that's the tutorial for today. And yeah, so be sure to like and subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, because pretty soon, and a notification bell, because pretty soon there's gonna be a Harvest Festival coming up for my brother's school, and I'm gonna be vlogging there. And so yeah, be tuned, and hope this tutorial helped you for your Musical.ly. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and yeah.